Final reminder before I end my go live. And it's been a while since I did a go live. Dahil lang, ayoko kasi i-vlog to dahil mahaba. So, final reminder. As I've said, wellness or health is wealth. Finance is health. Uulitin ko. Health is wealth. Wealth is health. It's connected. It is supposed to have a symbiotic relationship. Personal wellness and personal finance. It should have a symbiotic relationship. So when the government promises free healthcare, but diseases keep rising, somebody still pays. Meron pa rin nagbabayad doon sa free healthcare na yon. And that somebody is all of us. Lalo na yung mga taxpayer. Hindi yung mga tambay yung mga tambay na wala namang binabayarang tax. Hindi naman nagbabanat ng boto. Hindi sila kasali. Okay? So somebody has to pay. It's the taxpayers. Well, somehow kasali pa rin yung mga tambay kasi bumibili pa rin sila ng mga kung ano-ano. And may tax pa rin yan. So, yeah, kasali pa rin sila. Okay? I'm correcting myself. Start with prevention. Start with education, as I've said back in 2022. Start with your own example. And yung sinabi kong pasabog sa DOH, it will be in line by start with your own example, which I will do, which I will post sa mga susunod na araw. So, yun.